What up, YouTube? Welcome to the JandJAutoWrecking test video of SD-DG430. Today I got to treat a 2013 Dodge Ram 1500 Sport. Well, you were just working. Why are you doing this to me now? Alright, speedometer's having some issues. 139,000 miles according to the Carfax. Black PX8, it's the flat black, or the, sorry, gloss black, but non-pearl. We got sports seats, front and rear, heated and ventilated, heated leather steering wheel with a little bit of wear on it. 6-speed auto truck, 2013 only. If you got the shifter down there, you got yourself a 6-speed. A lot of good parts on this unit. Like we said, 5.7 Hemi. Oh, wow. Some good looking headlights. Sport hood on this girl. That 5.7 under the hood, running great. It's got some aftermarket ignition coils on it. I don't know why somebody didn't come and pick this thing up. It was at a tow lot. Who knows? Nice condition all the way around. She's got some rust on her. That's what you get when you buy things out of Pennsylvania. Maybe that's why it was here. Maybe they literally just didn't come back for it. Who knows? Step inside here and test some stuff out. Power windows all work. Power slider works. The darn sunroof even works. Why is this truck so mad? What are you beeping for? Alright. Navigation radio. That's weird. It was at Quiet Cove Park. What were you doing there? Get that sunroof closed up. Heated seats are working. Heated wheel. Transmission. Right into reverse. Right into drive. I can't find anything wrong with this truck, guys. It runs phenomenal. Who knows? Let me know in the comments down below if this, happened to be your truck. Tell me what happened. One more thing. Let's go ahead and test the old 4x4. Yep, that engaged. How about 4 low? Feeling frisky. Oh, yeah. Definitely in 4 low now. Woo! She jumpy. All right, back to 2-wheel drive. Come on, girl. Complete the shift. All right. Well, we've thoroughly tested the transmission. We got power folding mirrors on this girl. They both fold. Well, look, that one goes the wrong way. See if it learns its home. This one's a wee bit angry. Let's see if we've relearned it. Slow and steady wins the race. Maybe. One more time for those in the back. They move. Who knows? Alright guys, that is going to conclude the JandJAutoWrecking of our unknown damaged 2013 Dodge Ram 1500 Sport. Oh, that heated steering wheel got nice and hot. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, jump on over. Whoa, God, I'm drunk today. Head on over to our website. Don't run into the refrigerator. www.jandjautoWrecking.com. Other than that, guys, I'm John at JandJAutoWrecking. Thanks for watching.